Oh, kumusta ka na? Kumusta ka na, sir?
Okay naman, ganda ng tulog ko.
Ga-
Kasi katabi kita. Ay! Mali!
Patay, hindi lalabas sa vlog yan. Ano to? Day 2 of our OPPO Tech Insider. I'm with Sir Gian Viterbo of Gadget Pilipinas.
Marami na naman mangyayari.
Ito, dami na naman. Ay, makita natin today. Sabi nila factory tour daw eh. So, we'll see. We'll see. Also, our getup. Nakaraban tayo. And all green because we're going to OPPO. Totally did not plan this. Just so happens that's the collection. FYI. Okay, so we're here at the OPPO Imaging Testing Lab, and they built a really great setup here wherein they have like very different scenarios, very different setups for when you want to take photos or when you have to take photos of certain things or certain food items, restaurants, living room, different setups actually. So what I have here at the back is like a Western restaurant. There's a Chinese restaurant somewhere here as well. A bakery, a dark room. Living room setup. It's really interesting, and basically the ones doing the testing are not people per se. For now, they are robots. Let me show you it. So this is one of the robots doing, I believe, movement or zoom sort of configuration for cameras. So we're just trying to not get in the way of said robot. It's doing its job. Amidst the sea of robotic arm testers, there is one particular robot that got everyone's attention. Meet the robot with the lifelike mannequin replica. Now, we don't know her name, but she's tasked to test out selfie features of smartphones in various instances. So interestingly, the model, this mannequin, is modeled after a real OPPO employee. Of course, I'm hoping with her consent. Then there's testing the smartphone in dimly lit areas as well, like this quirky bar setup. What will you be having this evening, Monsieur Robot? Alright, so we are currently at the NFC lab wherein they test the NFC capabilities of their phones with various technology that interacts with it. So we have a lot of credit card terminals here. We're able to see OPPO's NFC testing area as well, where they test how good the NFC sensors are on an OPPO smartphone device. There are several areas of automated testing and a part where we got to try the NFC detector out for ourselves. Neat.
Stress pagka naglabas na ako ng camera.
周上好，中国现在我有冰
冰淇淋。
冰淇淋。
Yes. So right now we are going to be going to the super secret lab called the food lab. Kasi gutom na kami.
A few moments later.
Just had really good lunch at the OPPO canteen. We're walking back to see more of the factory areas. They said that we are going to be checking out the factory lines of the OPPO Find N3 Fold. Apparently it's not the flip this time around, so we're going to be seeing a little bit of something a little bit different. Last time we were here, it was the Find N2 Flip. that was on the factory line. So it's so nice actually to be back. So nice to be back. Especially the weather right now is pretty cool. So jacket weather tayo ngayon. We're back. We are back wearing all of these bakery like outfit, jam.
Pwede natin tanongin.
But we're wearing pink hats now. So
We cannot bring our phones inside, right? Ganun.
you need this for protective. Like these are anti-static wear. Where we're going, we really need to be wearing all of these because everything's very sensitive. Electronic stuff. The slightest static can like destroy the entire production line. So yeah, and we cannot actually bring our phones in or any recording requirement.
But tinanggal ko na lang din.
So it's the same as before. If you've seen the last time we were here around this year, around May, I think, if not mistaken. It's a similar setup, so we're going to be seeing a different line this time, according to them at least.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we just got back from the factory tour again. This time seeing the production line of the OPPO Find N3. So last time we were here, we saw the production line of the OPPO Find N2 Flip. This time it's the N3. There are more people actually working on it now. I was able to ask one of the OPPO executives there, like how many in average, like how many people would work on a phone, like just putting it on and manufacturing and just checking everything from start to finish. He said it depends on the type of phone and the complexity. The more complex the phone is, the more people that they need, particularly for flagship products. It has less automation, which is really interesting actually if you think about it. I would always think that the more expensive or more high-tech the phones are, there are more automations to be made. But actually, it's the reverse, which kind of makes sense. You want to have more quality assurance and really human hands and human skills beat any automation any time of the day. But yeah, he said it's, I think for the Find N3, it was around anywhere from 30 to 40 people. And it cuts back for less complicated phones. The last stop of the OPPO Tech Insider Tour is inside their giant data center a few minutes away from the main factory in Shenzhen. This new state-of-the-art large-scale data center was built because of the growing demand of AI, data storage, and high-performance computing. Okay, so we are currently at the data center of OPPO. It's one of the biggest ones I've actually seen in my entire life. And this is just one building. And they're planning on building 3 more, so it's going to be like a complex of 4 big, huge data centers. Unfortunately, we cannot bring our cameras inside to take photos or videos. And we saw a couple of areas where they actually did their cooling technology, and it's just massive. It's massive. Like if you have an idea of how, like what a server room looks like, increase that tenfold, and you'll probably have an idea of what this center actually is. So I can show you the lobby. So this is what it looks like. That's the lobby. This is how big this is. There's actually a receiving area where we went, and it looks like, you know, those International Space Station mission control area. That's what it looks like. So wild. So yep, we're here, and man, it's pretty wild. Thank you, OPPO. Thank you for this. And that's it for the OPPO Tech Insider Media Junket. We've seen the brand constantly pursue tech innovations, especially in the realm of imaging, extended reality, and network security. We've also seen their dedication for product quality as we visited their production line, this time around for the OPPO Find N3, and how much more people are involved in creating one unit. Safe to say that OPPO has always kept quality and tech innovations at the forefront of their business, and we cannot wait to see more from the brand. And with that, my name is Colin, and thanks for joining me in this special Geek Travel video. I will be seeing you guys on the next one. Guys, please keep safe, keep healthy, and as always, keep on gaming. Bye-bye.